Alright, time to raise the sun. Much better. So tired from that party last night. Everybody wake up! Celestia, good morning. Why do you have a dog here? Let's just say I got him back in the house. I just wanted a quick visit back to my house. But he wanted to come with me, so I brought him along. I don't want him to be sad anymore. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. Well, that's pretty cute, protecting your dog. I know. I named him Vanilla because he looks vanilla-ish. With black icing and green icing. I didn't find a white vanilla collar because let's just say there was not in the store. So I got him this one instead. Well, anyways, every pony, guess what? We're going camping today. It's Free Friday, so we're going camping. What? Camping? Not really camping, but camping? No.
Faithful and strong, sharing kindness is easy to be, and magic makes it all complete. To know you are my very best friends.
Get camping? You said that twice. I had to say it again, but camping? But he's not ready for the wild. I'm sorry, little buddy, but you're gonna have to stay here again. Alone. I'm staying here with my dog this time. But would you like to come with us? I would love to, but I can't. I promised my dog I'd have fun with him today. I'm just gonna leave him here. I'll promise him tomorrow. We're gonna have a free day anyways. Go to my room. Go on, go to my room. Oh, it's pee time. I'll take him out. 1 minute later. Now, much better? Why do I always have to clean up the mess now? Because it's our responsibility. Can't believe he did that on the floor. Sorry, Celestia. It's okay. Now get ready. Be a good doggy, okay? Okay, everybody, get your classmates and get in line. Ready, everybody? Ready! Let's go. Okay, now everybody, now pick an area, but it has to be nearby the campfire. It has to be nearby the campfire, so please pick. In the night, Rainbow Dash, you might sing up the fire. No problem, I got it. Is that rainbow fire, Rainbow Dash? Yes, it is, Fluttershy. Ooh, I like the way you added color. Thanks, Celestia. No biggie. Are we gonna tell campfire stories? Are we? Calm down. Everything will be okay. I promise. No, there's no campfire stories, right, Celestia? Yep, no campfire stories. If you dare. That means she will. Oh, jeez. It's okay. Calm down. It's okay. Calm down. Everything will be okay. I promise you. Yeah, but what if? But what if it does? Exactly. Exactly. Plus, we're near my house. Wait, what do you mean you're near your house? See that over there? You see? Oh. Okay, did somebody bring the marshmallows so we can make s'mores? Well, Pinky, let's just say no pony just brought s'mores. No pony brought s'mores? For marshmallows? This is terrible. Oh no! What are we gonna enjoy tonight? Don't worry, Pinkie Pie. Everything will go excellent, I promise. Really, Celestia? Of course. Now let's just get started already. 10 spooky stories later. This is getting disturbing. This is disturbing. Calm down. Everything will be okay. Yep. Let's take you back. Let's take you back. I hope he doesn't make any poop. Poop! Ah! We have to go back. What do you mean we have to go back? We have to fly up the stairs, get inside the castle without Celeste even noticing, and then get the dog, take the poop, and bring him here. But, right, of course. Can't. We're gonna just have to clean up the poop tomorrow. Okay, that'll be it for tonight's. That'll be for tonight. Now let's get back to bed. Oh man. But first thing tomorrow we're gonna be heading back to the castle. Okay? Okay, Celestia. Rainbow Dash, do you mind singing at the 5? Thank you. Ah! Sky High, calm down. Everything will be okay. I don't know. Oh, I'm so scared of the dark. My friend has to be afraid of the girls. I should go get her plushie. Here's your plushie. I got it from Canterlot High. Wait, you got my plush? Wait, you got my plush? Oh, I forgot my plush. Thank you. Can I take it? Sure thing. Now I can finally be okay and calm down. Oh, my beautiful plushy wishy. Yeah. It's gonna be morning soon. We better head back to bed. We're always asleep. Okay, are you ready to go to bed? Okay, I am ready for bed. Okay, I'm getting ready for bed. Hold up. Just hold up a bit. Okay, I think I'm ready. Just need to do some warm-up stretches. That wasn't stretching, you were just standing. I know, this is just clacking my wings. You see? My wings are clack. Oh, there's a spot. Let's go to bed. Maybe I can go back to the castle so nobody will notice. I should go head back to the castle tomorrow morning. I have an alarm for me. Luckily, I already have this little headphones on me. I'm tired. I'll go to bed. Good night, everybody. 4 a.m. Beep. Just let me change it. Go. Ooh, I found one of the hidden Kirby's. Wait, hidden Kirby? Whoa, I found one of the hidden Kirby's. Kirby, wake up. Oh my god, I can't believe he sneezes like a 4. Here I am. Sweet home. I better just clean all that poop. It will take me 1 hour. No biggie. I'll just go back inside. Fun. Home sweet home. Need to check today's calendar. today's my birthday. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I gotta clean that poop. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, now I gotta clean that pee. Oh, now I gotta put it away. Now I had to set up. Good morning, little doggy. 7 a.m. Nobody's watching. She doesn't know we're here. It's coming. Come back here. Come back. Hey, where's everybody? Okay, where did exactly that come from? Anyways, why is everybody not here? Today's my birthday. Did everybody forgot that my birthday? I can't believe everybody forgot my birthday today. Now I just feel like Pinkie Pie. Wait a minute, Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie's birthday. When was that episode? I gotta remember this episode. Ding ding ding! Of course they're doing the same thing like Pinkie Pie. They're doing the same thing for Pinkie Pie. I wonder where they're hiding. What? Is that Celestia's hoof? She has to be behind here. What? Yes, they're doing the same thing like they did to me. I have a eye on you. I can break the fourth wall. Uh-oh. Oh, get back here! Happy birthday! Isn't that a good birthday for my dog? Bad boy. Sorry, Pinkie. I haven't realized. That's okay. Accidents happen. Bad boy, you're going back to the room right now. Actually, we should take you pee. Oh my god, I didn't know you were holding a lot of pee there. Oh, I need you to poop. I don't want you to poop at me. Luckily, I got the poopy bag. What just happened? So, let me get this straight. You used an invisible thing to keep this cake clean, and the room was a cake the whole entire time? Yuppie doodles! Pinkie, that doesn't make any sense. I know, I just want to drive you nuts. Drive me nuts? Come here! Just joking. Seriously. I was trying to do a hug, but until you tried to strangle me. Ow! Oh, that was nuts. Oh, that was nuts. That was nuts. You sit. You sit. Yeah, let's have some cake. Yeah, let's have a good idea. Yay, I'm starving. Cake for breakfast! Wait! It's my birthday too! We both have the same birthday, same age. Wait, what is your age? 25? 25? Oh my goodness! Wait, are we actually sisters? Maybe twinsies! Brr, 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 brr. Crystal Sunday and sky high. Happy birthday to you. Get it? To you. To use. Get it? To Megazai? Yay! Let's party! Let's get this party started. Now let's get this party. In 3, 2, 1. Wait, the camera should zoom into me. In 3, 2, 1. Where's the music? Wait, this light should be in the middle. This has to be the best birthday party and can't take it. Yesterday was the best camping trip ever, even though there was a the scary spooky stories. Yeah, doesn't even that count. Best birthday party ever!
My little pony, my little pony. My little pony friend.
Hey guys, Curious on that here. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'm super duper sorry. This video was supposed to be a Kirby hunt, but I decided I wanted to do something else, so I wanted to do camping trip slash birthday party. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the birthday party and the episode. And of course it's not my birthday, it's January 2nd, it's not January 2nd. Plus, it's not there yet, so we're completely almost there at the end of the year, guys. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you like. Subscribe if it's right there showing. If it's right there showing. If this circle is supposed to be showing right there. Or link a comment at the bottom below. Link a comment, and the question today is why? No, I already. No. Which My Little Pony character for the new main 6? Who is your favorite for the new main 6? Sky High? Like I said, Sky High? Sky High? Crystal Sunday? Lily? Lyra? Cinnamon Bun? Or Crystal Flower? Let me know in the comments below. Who is your favorite for the new main 6? It has to be one of these showing in the screen right now. And I hope you enjoyed that episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed our birthday party. And thanks for letting us be natural. No problem. No problem, you two. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next chapter. Chapter 5. Something. Chapter 5 something? We're still coming up with a name in Chapter 5. See you next time. Bye, Kirby fans.